Hi, Tommy Stewart again. This time I'm talking about a program called Income Automator. It's nothing new. It's coming out on the 7th of November, 2 days from now, and it's been put together by a guy called Daz Hartley. It's nothing new, like I said. It's an old, rehashed money-making scheme, but the difference is that Daz Hartley absolutely guarantees you in writing to try it. He says, try it, and you will make $150 a day, thereabouts. The more you put in, the more you earn. But he says, if you don't make that much money, he'll give you your money back if you just let him know. So, how much is it? Income Automator, $10. Can't be bad, can it? This is a guy that's saying to you, I bet you $10 I can show you how to earn $150 per day, which is about $1,000 a week. Not bad. If you don't make it, I'll give you your $10 back. That's not a bad deal, is it? So, I'd have to have a bash at it. He's taken the old systems. There's a few old systems out there about this money-making idea, but he shows you, he doesn't tell you, he actually shows you slide by slide how to set it up, 30 minutes, and you're up and running, and next day you should have your first tranche of money. So there isn't anything else to tell you about it. There's nothing intricate, nothing complex. It's just a money-making idea, and he will show you how you do it. Yeah, there you go. I will, however, throw in 5 bonuses to you if you buy this whilst you're here. If you look down below, you'll see my domain name, and if you click on it, it'll take you to where you can buy this for your $10 and get into your money making scheme. Waking up in the morning and the money's there in your computer. Nice. But like I say, if you click on it, you will be able to purchase this program, but moreover, I will give you 5 bonuses, and this will show you what the bonuses are all about, and you can read up on them as well. And I'll tell you this, 5 of my bonuses, which I'm going to give you for $10, is a robbery. I'm being robbed, but it's not the first time. So I'll give you 5 bonuses for $10 and you get this program for nothing. How's that? Anyway, I hope you're happy, and it will be my pleasure to talk to you another time. Thanks very much. Bye bye.